The neo-Darwinian approach, which attempts to explain evolutionary phenomena solely through the concept of natural adaptation, has dominated the field of evolutionary biology for decades. However, recent scientific discoveries have shed light on the complexity and variety of evolutionary mechanisms, challenging the traditional view. Despite its invaluable contribution to understanding evolution, neo-Darwinian literature has been criticized for a certain closure towards alternative theories and for responses that, in some cases, seem less convincing in light of new evidence. The theory of evolution, as such, evolves with the advancement of science, through a process of continuous revision and debate. The debate particularly ignites when touching the foundations of Darwinism. Organisms evolve, that is a fact, but the precise manner in which this occurs remains the subject of intense research and discussion. The American philosopher Jerry Fodor, for example, has raised specific criticisms against the evolutionary theory formulated by Darwin, later expanded by neo-Darwinists. Fodor highlights the inconsistencies and limitations of a view that seeks to explain the complex web of evolution through a single principle. The theory of evolution, a topic of great fascination and complexity, involves unclear aspects and doubts that still linger, highlighting how science does not yet have all the answers. Today, we want to explore evolution from a new perspective, that of genetics, delving into the mysteries of our genome. This extraordinary molecule, DNA, which contains the instructions for the development and functioning of every living being, hides still unexplored secrets, potentially capable of rewriting our understanding of the origin of life. Genetic mutations, pillars of the evolutionary process, show how DNA in our cells is subject to continuous changes. This phenomenon, normally associated with error rates in DNA replication, leads to thousands of spontaneous mutations every day. To these are added mutations induced by external factors, such as UV rays, highlighting how evolution is a dynamic and multifactorial process. Only mutations that occur in germ cells can be passed on to future generations, with an estimated rate of about 60 mutations per generation. This process, although slow, is fundamental both for the emergence of genetic diseases and for the engine of evolution as we know it. Our genome can be compared to an encyclopedia composed of 23 volumes, the chromosomes, of which each individual has 2 copies. Each cell in our body accesses only part of this information, based on its own specialization. A fascinating mystery concerns the so-called non-coding genes, once considered junk DNA. Modern science has revealed that these DNA segments play crucial roles in regulating gene expression and in the complexity of organic development. Among the most intriguing aspects of our DNA is the story of the fusion of chromosomes 2A and 2B in our ancestors, which led to the formation of human chromosome 2. This extremely rare chromosomal fusion event raises deep questions about fertility and survival possibilities for individuals with a different number of chromosomes from the rest of the population. This topic, still the subject of debate among scientists, highlights how much there is still to discover regarding the dynamics of evolution. In conclusion, human DNA, with its mysteries and enigmas, connects us to cosmic events and external influences that are yet to be fully understood. The exploration of the genome opens new frontiers in understanding the origin and evolution of life on Earth, challenging us to reconsider our theories and to open our minds to surprising possibilities. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel to support us.